Solving equations. For cos, do cos inverse to the given ratio, and this is the first angle from your calculator. Then change the sign on that angle, so always work out these two. Do plus or minus 360. For sine, do sine inverse to the given ratio, so this is the first angle. Do 180 minus this angle, so always work out these two. Do plus or minus 360. For tan, do tan inverse to the given ratio, and then do plus or minus 180 as many times as you need to. Example 2. The angle here differs from the angle here. Leave this angle as it is. Do not modify this. We need to modify this in this given interval. So I need to multiply all of these by 2. So now I have angle 2 theta. 2 theta here and 2 theta here. Every angle I work out from here onwards is called 2 theta. So the angle from the calculator, so if we do sine inverse to 0.2, 180 minus that, so we've got these two angles. Now we need to do plus or minus 360. Tick the ones that you want, cross out the ones which are not in this interval. List the angles which are valid, again within this interval. The final answer should be in terms of just theta. So we need to divide by 2, and we've got these angles. We can check these using the calculator. So using this angle, substitute in here, so sine 2 times minus 95.8 gives me a ratio that's very close to 0.2. It's not exactly 0.2 because of rounding errors. Example 3. The angle here again differs from the angle here. Don't modify this, leave this alone. We need to modify this, so we need to divide by 3. And now we're going to work with this interval. So now the angle here, here, and the one that we're going to work out for all our solutions to begin with is the same. So for tan, we do tan inverse of minus 3 to get the first angle from the calculator. Then we just do plus or minus 180 as many times as we need. Identify the angles which are within this interval, cross out the ones which are not, and then we list the valid angles, and remember again this is still theta over 3. The final answer needs to be just theta, so we multiply by 3 throughout and simplify and round to 3 significant figures. And I can test my final solutions here. So for instance, this angle here, theta, I need to divide by 3. Here it is, my angle divided by 3, and I'll get a value that's very close to minus 3. Not exactly minus 3 because of rounding errors. For practice, try these questions.